So hello everyone, welcome to this career development program, and in this video I am going to share with you the first job role, that is the medical science liaison officer. And dear friends, stay with me till the end of this video and you will be coming to know that what are the role of the MSL, what exactly they do in the pharmaceutical industry, and what are the key skills that are required to make an ideal and lucrative career in this particular segment. So medical science liaison officer are the person who are having the excellent communication skill and summarizing skills. Summarizing skill means that they are having the skills to summarize the complex scientific data into the presentable form, which can be shared with the clinical professionals, along with that the research teams and the internal clinical trial teams. So let's dive deep into this particular job role, that is the medical science liaison officer. So who is the medical science liaison, and let's understand the role of an MSL. Medical science liaison officer is an scientific expert for the company's products, pipelines, and the therapeutic areas. So, dear friends, this is the person who will be acting as a bridge between the clinicians or key opinion leaders and the pharmaceutical industry who have developed the novel technology or novel therapy or novel product, and to send the clinical information about this product to the key opinion leaders is the primary job role of the medical science liaison officer. He would be engaging with the key opinion leaders. These key opinion leaders are the leading people in the clinicians. These people are having the qualification of the DM specific segments like cardiology, like diabetes, or they will be working in the immunology particularly and cancer segments. These are the eminent area in which the medical science liaison officers are required. Medical science liaison officer is the person who will be serving as a bridge between the clinical research teams and the healthcare providers. Along with that, he would be performing the job to present the complex scientific data to the various stakeholders, including the physicians, researchers, and the internal teams. So, dear friends, let's dive into deep about that. What are the key skills that would be required for this particular lucrative job role? That number one skill is that the person must be having the strong clinical knowledge, so that candidates who are intending to make their career in this area are required to have the specialized clinical knowledge in particular segment and dive into deep, so that you would be the expert of this particular clinical knowledge. And then in addition to that, the most important key skill that would be required is the excellent communication and presentation skills, because you need to summarize the complex clinical research data, scientific data, technical data into a simple and understandable form in the shorter period of time. How well you will be able to communicate your message to the key opinion leader, and they should understand that what is the utility and significance of this product. So this is the primary job role. So they will be summarizing the different type of clinical research which are being undergoing at the organization, and he would be the scientific face of his organization. So this is the job role of MSL. Along with that, the job role would be required the key skill, that is the ability to translate the complex scientific information into the diverse audience, and they would also be responsible for the strategic relationship building and networking. So this is a very lucrative job, and if you are having the clinical insights or clinical knowledge in depth about a particular subject like cancer or diabetes, or you can say the cardiovascular issues or immunology, then this is the area where you can make your career. So dear friends, by the time I, Dr. MS Rathod, signing off from this session, and I will be meeting you in the next video with the next job role, along with that the key skills which are required.